Back to school is coming, and I'm decorating some cool DIY gifts for my kids to get them ready. Hope this sparks some ideas for you. First, I decorated a school bag for my daughter using my Locklick iCraft. It's super easy and fast to work with. I love this HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3. It heats up quickly and is perfect for small decorating projects. Hope my daughter loves her personalized backpack. Next, I made a t-shirt for my son who's starting middle school, placed it on, and hit Auto Press button. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 does the rest. The print came out sharp and vibrant. Since my kids love hats, I customized one with the HTVRONT Hat Heat Press. It works with all kinds of hats, including baseball caps. Can't wait to see them rock it. For the new term, I decorated a tumbler for my daughter to encourage her to drink more water. I put a cute design on and inserted into the HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press. In just minutes, it was done. Finally, I personalized a phone case for myself. This HTVRONT phone case heat press is so easy to use. Colors are bright, and it fits different phone models. I've made some for my friends too. It also works on badges, coasters, and ceramic tiles. Such a versatile machine. Get ready to make your back-to-school gifts special and full of personality.